Who knocks when no one's outside? At 3 a.m., the doorbell rang. Liam opened the door. Nothing. The bell rang again, but this time it echoed from inside the house. The silence stretched like a taut string, but then came the sound again, a soft chime echoing through the empty rooms. Liam's heart raced as he stepped cautiously back inside each creak of the wooden floor, amplifying his growing dread.